Hello everyone, welcome to Treasure of the Kitchen. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make potato and egg omelette. So guys, in this recipe, I'll be using two potato, one large potato and one medium-sized potato. You can increase it if you want. You cut into bits, tiny pieces of your choice. I've already washed and peeled my potato and cut it into tiny bits. So guys, why are you watching this video from? Please, if you find this video interesting, give me a like, subscribe to my channel so that you'll be the first person to be notified whenever I post a new video. Thanks for subscribing, I really appreciate. And do drop a comment and let me know if you will try this. This recipe is so easy to make and it's very delicious. It's best made for breakfast and your family will like it. So guys, this is one of the best ways to eat your potato and egg. So potato and egg. After that, take this aside. Now we are going to slice our veggies. First we start with our tomatoes. You chop your tomatoes into smaller sizes. I'm using 3 medium size of tomatoes. Take your tomatoes aside. Next we'll be slicing our onion. And guys, you can use bell pepper for your pepper. So you can use bell pepper. I'm using chili pepper. After you slice the onions, you slice your pepper and set aside. So to avoid your potato from having stain after cutting, do well to soak it in water before frying. And set aside. So transfer your frying pan into the heat. Add a little bit of frying oil. And place the sliced potato in this order. If you have a bigger pan, it will be better so that everything can contain it. But if you want to do it into 2 batches, okay, but I'll be doing my own in 1 batch. And make sure there's space for them so that the potato, they're all done very well. arrange them like this. Sprinkle a little bit of salt and go in with blended pepper. This is blended chili pepper to change the color and also give it a different taste. So stir this together, mix it together and allow to fry. So set that aside. We'll be using 4 eggs. While the potato is frying, we'll mix our egg together. After whisking the eggs together, we're going in with our veggies. Going with the onion, pepper, and your diced tomatoes. If it's a good mix, and add a little bit of salt to taste. Arrange the potato very well and go in with the egg mix. Spread the egg mix and cover the potato. Allow to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, flip it over to the other side. Arrange and cover. Allow to cook for the next 3 minutes, and after that, potato and egg omelette is ready. Guys, I fried some potato outside of this and put it in the corner. It tastes good and delicious. Can you see it? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in my next video. Bye.